Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello and welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. Yes, we are back with season 2 because we got such overwhelming response from you. So, some of your most loved chefs are back here to give you exciting and new recipes for every school day. So today we are making Rajma and sweet potato sliders. They are basically little mini burgers, but they are absolutely delicious, very healthy and so easy to make. So come on, let's see once again how to make हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन। Okay, so let's begin. This is soaked and cooked Rajma. Rajma, extremely healthy, great source of protein and extremely important for the growth and development of children. Okay, I'm going to add some finely chopped onions, थोड़े से टमाटर and some sweet potato. इसे बाइंडिंग के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Okay, चलिए अब इसमें मैं सीजनिंग ऐड कर देती हूँ. स्वाद अनुसार नमक, some गरम मसाला, थोड़ी सी लाल मिर्च और ये just gives color and some turmeric. Mix it well. Okay, nice. Well, it's Kissan Sweet and Spicy Sauce. This will give a nice, amazing combination of sweetness and spiciness. Children love that, don't they? उसे थोड़ा सा हम अपने राजमा and sweet potato sliders में डालेंगे. Then we are going to mix this entire mixture and make nice patties out of it. All right, तो ये 4 टिक्कियाँ तैयार हो गई हैं. ये गैस यहाँ ऑन कर देते हैं. Pour some oil and then जैसे ही तेल गरम हो जाए, we are going to shallow fry these tikkies. So let's begin. Okay, now we're gonna flip them. Nice golden color and slightly crispy on the side. All right, so these are done now. Take these out. ये हो गए हैं. अब ये जो बर्गर बन्स थे मेरे पास होल व्हीट के, उन्हें भी मैं हल्का सा यहाँ पे तवे में सेक लूँगी. Okay, just gonna take these out. And now I have some lettuce leaves here. We are going to use these as the base of our sliders. Now, ये जो टिक्कियाँ मैंने बनाई हैं, वो आप इनके ऊपर रखेंगे. You're going to cap it up. And यहाँ मेरे पास कुछ toothpicks हैं. So I'm going to just seal the whole burger. All right, so my sliders are ready. बस अब टिफिन लेके आते हैं. Start packing. Okay, so here you go. You want to pack at least 3 sliders in. I'm going to squeeze them in gently like this. And along with this, to make it even healthier, some cashew nuts and some watermelon scoops. All right, so with that, we complete this recipe. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network for more exciting recipes. And I will be back very soon to show you how to make हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.